Hello, welcome to Marathi Kitchen. Sabudana Vada is a snack which we like whether there is a fast or not. Instead of traditional deep fry method, today I'll be preparing them with very less oil. This will make the tasty vadas more healthier. Ingredients for this recipe are 1 cup sabudana soaked overnight, 2 boiled potatoes, half cup crushed roasted peanuts, green chili and cumin seeds paste, finely chopped coriander leaves, salt and lemon. Add half a cup of crushed roasted peanuts into sabudana and mix well. Make sure that the sabudana is soaked overnight in enough water. Now add mashed boiled potatoes, salt, chopped coriander leaves and green chili cumin seeds paste. Mix all the ingredients well. Add some lemon juice into the mixture. Apply some oil to your hands and make lemon-sized balls from this mixture. Slightly press them to make small vadas. Make sure that the vadas are small enough to fit into appe pan. Heat the appe pan on medium flame. Add some oil and place the vadas in it. Cover the lid and let them cook for 8 to 10 minutes till they become golden brown. Now open the lid, turn them to other side and let them cook for another 5 minutes. Apply some oil if required. Crispy and tasty yet less oily sabudana vadas are ready. Try this recipe and let me know your comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.